Hello guys, so how to increase your shop revenue by 20% without spending more on ads? It's very powerful your repairing business that you can do it. You have a lot of customers and a lot of jobs you have done in past year or whatever time. What you can do, just let's say you have iPhone customers whom you want to sell the phone case or whatever. Just give that text to ChatGPT, and so ChatGPT can produce you an email template, and copy the template here, then put that here in maintenance reminder for your repair buddy, like this, with the short course available here, and select your device here, that it's phone, it's from Apple. So what will happen after every 180 days, whenever a job have spent is completed since 180 days, this maintenance reminder will be sent to that job customer. So once you completed a job today, let's say you completed a job today, after 180 days this maintenance reminder will be automatically sent to that job. You can just test it, that how it will be, how it will look in your customer's email. This is how it will look in your customer's email. Here your business header with your logo and your business details with your business footer. So unsubscribe link will also be included, whatever. So this way you can bring your customers automatically back to your repair shop, and this will increase your revenue